Hey everyone, Steve here. I want to post a quick video about my insurance company through Blue Cross and Blue Shield in Michigan. Sorry for the glare on the video. I'm still trying to get this camera set up right with the lighting in the room. But now as my surgery is approaching closer every day, I'm still a little nervous about the insurance approval for the sleeve gastrectomy procedure. As you know, most insurance companies don't even pay for this procedure, but I contacted Blue Cross Blue Shield and my doctor's office, and I just wanted to read you an email that I sent them. So I won't be looking at the camera, so I do apologize, but I'm just going to read it verbatim. Blue Cross Blue Shield says the sleeve procedure is only payable after surgery because it is currently suspended for manual review. If I understand them correctly, my medical charts would have to indicate that I have met all the criteria listed for the sleeve procedure, and then it is submitted to Blue Cross Blue Shield, and then they decide if they will pay or not. I know that I've met the criteria listed. They kind of went through it fast on the phone, but I think I got most of it written down. This kind of scares me a little bit because I'm nervous that they would not pay even though I meet the criteria. I am sure your office has dealt with Blue Cross Blue Shield for patients that want the sleeve procedure performed, and then I basically asked them for any info, and they replied back with this statement. Blue Cross Blue Shield does not pre-authorize. If you meet the criteria, we can proceed with your surgery. Blue Cross Blue Shield reserves the right to audit your chart up to 3 years post-op to make certain you met the criteria. You have met Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan criteria because your BMI is 50 or greater. Your chart has been passed on to the nursing to schedule your pre-op testing. Under Blue Cross Blue Shield guidelines, you have a choice between one of the following: the lap band, sleeve gastrectomy, or the Roux-en-Y gastric bypass. And then I talked with some people that have had the sleeve, and it kind of reassured me a little bit because they said that they have Blue Cross, and basically what the doctor has to do is after the surgery is completed, he writes up the charts and sends it to the insurance company, basically stating that I met all the criteria and have it documented and have to show proof of why he decided to do the sleeve versus the Roux-en-Y. And basically it sounds like from listening what the doctor had to say during my education day that is probably my best option anyway because of my weight, and he would consider it a two-part procedure so that I can lose the weight, become a little healthier, and then proceed on with the Roux-en-Y or the DS procedure. Well, again, my goal is to just hopefully have the vertical sleeve done and not have to worry about the second part. So that means I'm going to have to work hard, but I know I can do it. It's just now that I'm getting closer to this date, I get a little more nervous, and I'm wondering if I'm making the right decision or not. When you have that feeling in your gut that you know you're making the right choice, then it is right. And I know that's the right choice. I mean, that's what I feel. I know it's right. I know here I am fretting about things that I'm going to have to give up, you know, like my diet soda and the way I eat. And, you know, I can't go out and have a couple of drinks with friends. But you know what? My friends aren't going anywhere. I'm still going to be able to eat food. And it's probably a good thing that I do not drink Diet Mountain Dew anymore. But, you know, these are things that are popping in my head now that I'm getting closer. And it just makes me a little nervous that once I have this procedure done, how I'm going to feel afterwards. But from reviewing a lot of your videos, it sounds like I'm going to do just fine. I think I have a strong mindset that I won't fail, and I know I won't fail. It's just, you know, I'm sure up until surgery time I'll be hemming and hawing and wondering if I'm making the right choice, and I'm sure you guys have gone through that too. But I just wanted to share a little bit about the Blue Cross Blue Shield experience, and if you have any input on that, I'd love to hear from you. I'm pretty confident from what I've heard, and I'm going to double check with the staff, that everything will be covered and documented well. But the choice is to have the sleeve, and I think that's the best choice for me. And unfortunately, like when I called the doctor's office, they said that, I meet the criteria, that it's approved for the, actually I'm going to look at my sheet right here. When I called them, they approved the laparoscopic Roux-en-Y. They approved the open Roux-en-Y. Hopefully I don't have to get an open. They approved the lap band, but because of my weight, I don't think it's a good option for me. And again, the only thing that they said that was not pre-approved was the sleeve gastrectomy. And that's suspended for manual review. I think I'm probably going to call the insurance company again. I've already called them like 3 times. And just while I'm on it, it's kind of funny, but you gotta love how insurance is. I mean, I'm grateful for insurance, but they don't even cover nutritional counseling and the mental health, psychological part of it is not. I mean, it's covered, but it's not very well. Like the doctor said at our support group meeting, insurance is great from the neck down, but from the neck up, it's still a battle. I just was looking at my list here, but what's great about the doctor's office is that they bill the nutritional meetings under a regular doctor's office visit, so it's covered under my insurance, so that helps a lot. Anyway, I don't think I have anything else to say. I just was up and kind of wrapping my brain around this a little bit, and wanted to share my thoughts with everybody. I'm still enjoying the videos. If you see me twitch on these videos, I know I shut my eyes when I'm doing these, but if you see me twitch, I do have a mild form of Tourette syndrome. So thankfully it's mild. I don't have to take any medicine for it. I don't swear or anything like that, though. I think it will be fun sometimes. Who knows, maybe after the surgery. But so if you see me twitch in my chair, that's why I do that. I try not to when I'm doing these videos, but you can only hold it in for so long. But again, also, my friends call me Stimpy because of my last name is Wren. So, you guys call me Steve, Stimpy, whatever you want to call me, it is cool with me. So, until my next video, I will let you go, and I hope everybody has a good week. Thanks. Bye.